If you want to customize lock screen on Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in these settings now we need to go to wallpapers and style, and you should be able to tap on the current theme in order to customize it, and you should have the lock screen. So in this case we can, for example, tap on the current clock in order to customize it. As you can see, we have a bunch of different options. You can of course also adjust the wallpaper itself, but we're gonna actually go back a little bit. Let's just cancel that and let's discard. Over here you should also be able to, for example, customize the lock screen completely by using a different theme. So you can download a new theme and utilize it, use it on your phone in order to completely change the theme. However, as you probably can figure it out at this point, it changes not only the lock screen but the whole theme on the phone. So I assume that not everyone wishes to have that. However, if we go to more themes, nevertheless, you should be able to find some example lock screens over here that you can also use with different wallpapers, as well as some additions like these texts. So for example, if I choose this one, I should also be able to change the text that is visible over here and its color. Although we cannot really change the text itself apparently, it allows us to add something fancy. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.